How to cash out Bitcoin on Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can cash out Bitcoin on Cash App. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Cash App. Open up your Cash App and this is what you should see. Right here on the bottom left corner, you'll find the home page. Tap on home page and you should be on this page right here. Now after you're here, simply tap on Bitcoin. There you will see Bitcoin, tap on Bitcoin, and after you do that, you should be on this page. Now simply scroll down until you find the wallet section. On the wallet section, you'll find the withdraw button. Tap on withdraw, and after you do that, you will be able to scan the QR code for the destination wallet, or you can even enter it manually. Do that, and after you do that, select the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send, withdraw, and then tap on withdraw to cash out. And it's that simple guys, and that is how you cash out Bitcoin on Cash App. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and don't forget to subscribe to App Hacks. Thanks for watching guys, bye bye.